Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw and color Mickey Mouse and his family Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Pluto, and Goofy. It's going to be so much fun, so let's get started. First, we'll draw Mickey Mouse. Start with his nose and eyes. Then draw his smiling mouth and the rest of his round face. Now let's add his two big round ears so iconic. Great job! Now let's move on to Minnie Mouse. Start with her cute little nose. Then draw her lovely eyes and a bright, happy smile. Next, draw the shape of her head. And don't forget her adorable bow right on top between her two ears. Now finish up her face and ears. Isn't she so pretty? Right next to Mickey, let's draw Donald Duck, Mickey's super funny friend. Begin with his eyes, and then draw his cute little beak. Make sure he's smiling. Donald is always cheerful. Now add his familiar sailor hat on top, so cool. In the box below Donald, we'll draw Daisy Duck, his beautiful girlfriend. Start with her sparkly eyes and long eyelashes. She looks lovely, doesn't she? Now draw her bow on top of her head. It's just like Minnie's. Let's move on to Pluto, Mickey's loyal puppy. Draw his eyes and big nose. Now add his long floppy ears on both sides. Don't forget his smiley mouth. Pluto is always excited to play. In the next row, we'll draw Goofy. He's tall and silly. To finish, draw his funny little hat on top. Yay! You finished drawing the whole gang. Start with Mickey Mouse first. Color along with me. You're doing amazing! If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more drawing fun. See you next time, little artists. Goodbye.